Hi, myself Rohit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I bring my screen up, I just want to reiterate that I'm not a financial advisor. Any risk that you take is completely on your own and you're responsible for your own money. So as we can see in my screen, that today we are up for 3.63% in my total portfolio. And it was basically due to NIO and Xpeng. So today there is a news came out from NIO that they have registered a new trademark model called EF9. So I mean this looks like a sports car, and I mean it's a high-end car. This supercar could be a rival to Toyota and Lexus. So recently there has been some obstacles for NIO related to the manufacturing because of the chip shortage all around the world. But this is just in my personal opinion. I think NIO will be still able to hit the numbers they were supposed to tomorrow, and this stock will go a little bit more up further. So judging this stock just based on this dip is not a good idea for the investor. I mean, the company has a very strong financials and a positive future outlooks, plus the EV market in China is huge with tremendous potential for the growth. Vehicle sales are gaining momentum each quarterly. I mean, despite the pandemic, NIO delivered 17,353 vehicles in the fourth quarter, which is a new quarterly delivery record. I mean, as we can see from the numbers itself, I mean, NIO is a very solid company, and as the vaccines are being rolled out, I think NIO should be able to increase its production capacity, and it's still confident to move forward profitably. So what my take is on Microvision is, I think it's just highly speculative stock right now. I mean, they just got a deal with Microsoft. So the Microsoft HoloLens is using the Microvision chip. So I mean, Microsoft is a pretty big company, and anything that get attached to Microsoft bring the stock prices quite up. So I would like to stay away from this stock for the meanwhile. So as we can see, the last 1 year chart of this company, the stock has already went up 52 weeks high to $24.18. So if you look at the stock just for today, it went up $6.24, which is quite a lot. That's like 50.69% just for the day. I mean, if I am thinking of investing myself in Microvision, I mean, this is not the right time, I would say. You know, if you would have bought it in the correction that we have recently around $13 or $12, I mean, that was the point. I would say that, you know, it's not a bad idea to do that. I mean, now I would say after the squeeze that had just happened today, I mean, Microvision, I would say just stay away from it for a meanwhile. So I'm going to bring up another stock for today, that is Romeo Power, ticker symbol RMO. As we can see, it went down quite a bit today for 19.672%. That stock is pretty cheap right now, $8.33. The price target has been set by the analyst is $10.57. So there is a 26.89% upside on this stock. I mean, the low is $6.70 for Romeo Power. The average is $10.57 and the high is $18. Romeo Power is an energy technology company. This company delivers a scale of electrification solutions for commercial applications. The price target has been set by the analyst is $10.57. So there is a 26.89% upside on this stock. I mean, the low is $6.70 for Romeo Power. The average is $10.57 and the high is $18. So they have missed their earning by 11 cents. So I mean, there is nothing to be panicking about this stock. I would still say it's a must buy, Romeo Power. Romeo Power is a very good energy company. I'm still bullish on it, and this is a long-term play. I mean, establishing yourself for 200 shares in it is not at all a bad idea for another 10 years. As Mr. Jim Cramer mentioned yesterday, that buy some stock in NASDAQ because it has been going downwards since last month. And this guy can literally shake the market. That's what happened today. We saw there was a quite significant rise in NASDAQ. So if you're looking for yourself to be invested in the US stock market, please use the link in the description box below. You will get a free stock, I will get a free stock. Let's both be happy. Until then, please like and subscribe my channel. Stay invested, stay focused.